Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube today. I'm playing Pubg and not normal Pubg. It's a challenge. Challenge Pubg. Yes, challenge Pubg. Challenge Pubg. And challenge Pubg. Pistols only. That's the world's challenge. Challenges in this channel. And I will try to win and try. Pistols only. Sorry, because my sister is calling her friend. Sorry about that. Okay. This challenge will be a hard challenge. I'm so bad in English. I'm playing Do. Why I'm playing Do? He will help me. Yeah, he'll help me. Hello, bro. I don't have a lot of emotes. I have this and this and this and this in tier 30. This only. What are you doing? Farida, what? I don't know. I'll drop in school. Justin, no. Bad place like this place. Stop! A bad place because no, I don't want to. He's following me. Oh, that's good. That's better. That's better. Only. Can you stop talking? This bro is noob. What are you doing, little punk? I'm here because I'm making a video and a challenge, and I don't want a lot of people and boom. That's not it. He's a pro like me. He's tier 10 only. What the hell? What are you doing, bro? Oh. Stop. Whoa, wake him. No. This will not be a challenge like that. Yeah, like pistol. Powerful pistol, please. No, only this AKM. This punk AKM. Like that. I'm dying. With M416. Oh, a pistol. Just a pistol. I don't know what to say. Just a bad pistol is killing me. With M416. He has M416. If I use the ATM for him, Pam and M416, and I won. That will be so hard. Play 3 games, cause that will be so hard. Yeah, hard. No. That was a challenge only. No, I'll play. I can't. But I'll name this video challenge. I name it like that. I name it like that. Pistol challenge, or I'll name it like that. Oh, I named it. I can say a lot of noobs here, but we're not making a pistol challenge. But I named this video challenge because yeah, I'll challenge myself. Oh, this song is good. Wow, this place is awesome. I dropped in this place with my friend Adhamza. Adhamza, yeah, bro. If you want to play with me, of course, tell me you. What do you want? Yeah, making a video punk. Whoa, saying that you are noobs and the best rank is 100k. If you can see, yeah, 100. I'll lie today. I can't win. I just that's a bad place, but I'll die. I'll die. I'll die. Die because the best rank is 100 and 102 times. 102 times. That's so bad. Why are they playing? Why are they playing 100 and Angel? Play Mirror. You will win. What? Will win if you played Angel. Don't play with noobs and kill noobs. Noobs is playing, of course. This is the best thing I can ever see. Best than AWM. This punk pen is better than AWM. Why are they noobs and I don't know. I'm not a pro. If you want to say, don't drop with me. I'm just making a video about that, and they don't know I'm making a video. Of course, who knows? Now I'm making a video. Like this Abdurrahman is calling me you, and I'm making a video. What do you want now? First aid, that's good. I hate lagging. I can't find one punk, one little punk. Yeah, one little punk shotgun. Yeah, here's a shotgun. Pistol. Wow. Oh, a pistol. Pistol is so powerful. Do you know that? The pistol is so powerful. I can't believe it. It's so powerful. How? It's better than of course AKM, AWM, and shotguns. These shotguns is what is that? Is that an AK? Oh, Core 8K. Core 8K, yes, what I'm saying. A shotgun and sniper? How? Shotgun and sniper, that's good. Shotgun and sniper? Shotgun and sniper? That's... I hate shotguns. And this punk, get out of here. Hold on. Yeah, let's go. It's M416, I think. What's that? I must say, yeah, M16A4. 16A4 on crowbar. Oh, what's crossbar? Crowbar. Red dots. That's good. Oh, some grip. It's working. That's not working. Got that. So got this punk and this Core 8K. This is good. That's good. Oh, I missed that. I need the MP9 right now. Or just score. Just a bad thing like a score. Scoring the I found one. He's here. Where is this punk? Did I damage him? Where's this bro? Yeah, let's go. AKM. Let's go. 2 AKMs, 3 AKMs, 100 AKM. AKM and sniper like Core 98K. That's good. From shotgun to Core 98K to M16A4 to AKM and another AKM. You're kidding? 3 AKMs in one game? Yeah, in one game. Loving AKM. I love AKM. Who is this? Where's this punk? I have an AKM. I can make that now. Oh, we need to turn. Bam, 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 bam. That's better. Can win this game. I can win. I can win. Yeah, I can win this game. I can't win this game. The high strength. Oh! There's a bro beside us. Where's this punk? No! If you need a gun, you have. He's here. He's here. No. Not now, bro. Not now. Where's this punk? Oh. He's here. Take his things. He has a score if you want it, but I don't think he's. Yeah, let's go. He's a noob. Yeah, let's just score. But I have AKM. I have an AKM. I need M416. Yeah. It's 3 kills. Let's go, bro. Score. AKM. He has an angle for gift, and I didn't see that for gift. Okay. Snow genders. I need an energy drink. And I said N, okay? N energy drink. Whoa. Take care, punk. Is that a flare? Oh, so that is a flare gun. It will be, and I can say it. It will be an okay, not now. A stupid thing if it's a flare gun. Is that a flare gun? No, it will be a stupid thing if it's flare gun. Bro, what are you doing? Where's this bro? Hey, do you need a gun? This bro. I found it. I found it. This bro is pro. Yeah, this bro is pro because noobs don't have like me. I need a gun and no and okay and spread out and wait and things and I'll drive. I'm really sorry. No problem and these things. He is a pro guy. But why are you here? I can just an energy drink, my best friend. No, my best friend is not the energy drink. I said to you and okay. It's Yad and Ziyad and and Adham, of course, and Abdurrahman. You, Abdurrahman, is you. He said to me that now. Oh, and again, I'll take this and this. Thank you. No, and this. Thank you. Fall back to safe zone. Where's this bro? Someone here. No, there is no one. Fall back to safe zone. Fall back to safe zone. Right. Fall back. Is this bro? His damage is no. Corner in it key. Leave. Don't. No. No, just take this energy drink. It was restricting play area in 5 million minutes, please. Oh my god, we need a core. In 3 minutes. Whoa. We need a core. Yeah. We need a core. Go back to safe zone, bro. This video is long video. It's the longest video I ever made, I think. Just think. What? What's the problem with this TV? I just make that. Turn off. Oh, I'm so mad. Why? Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'll just make that. My phone is awesome. I'll charge my phone when I'm playing and making a video. That's the bad thing. The baddest thing. Yeah. Just move. Don't be a lazy bro. Hehe. Distracting play area. What did I see? Nothing. Distracting play area and AKM. Shooting range. I love this place. We will see another. You'll see another places like Pubg and school and What did you say? Where is this punk? Is he here? He's a noob. No, he's not. Where are you? 200? Where's this airdrop? Restricting play area. What? Where's this airdrop? Where's this airdrop? Oh, because bro has a flare gun here. That's awesome and cool also. What I'm doing? The airdrop is where? I will see this bro. I'll see this bro and kill him, and I will take his flare gun. Where's he? He's here. I can't see him. That's a little bit quiet. Finally! I'm in the safe zone. Where's this punk? He's here. I can see him. I can see him here. I'll take this score. Hello, bro. Ah! I must take this car and run then. He's not going to the car. Drive. No, drive. Just drive. Lost. Speed boost. Yeah, I like that. Oh, get in the car. Where are you? Punk. Where are you, punk? Get in the car. You don't need it? Okay, I need it. No, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I need to run. No! Exit. Where is this? Punk store. Restricting play area in 2 minutes. I think I saw him. No. What's this, bro? Where are you? Can you run then? Where's the flare gun, bro? I think it was super flare gun. I'm just kidding. Is he here? No. This video is so long because I'm pro in Pubg. So, oh, get in. Thank you, bro. You're the best. This bro is the best. Yeah. Can you? Speed boost. No, don't speed boost. Oh, where's the airdrop? Yeah, it's here. Get to the airdrop. Get to the airdrop. Oh, you're right. Get to the airdrop. Okay. I will lose today. There's the one he's hitting, right? Yeah. I saw Corey here. Did you saw it? I saw it. Getting the cord. It's here! It's here! It's here! What is happening? He will get out of the car. No, he didn't. Get to the airdrop, bro. Get to the airdrop. Is it there? Let's go. I'm a little bit scared. What just happened? Drive, drive, drive. Yeah, drive. Let's go. Let's go to there. Who is? Just ignore him. And just get to the airdrop. Found one. What just happening? You'll die. It's empty. Oh. Where's this bro? Oh. I saw him. He's the airdrop guy! Help! He's the airdrop guy. Help. We died. He's the airdrop guy. He's the flare gun guy. I knew it. I saw him. I saw the airdrop. Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, this video was one kill only. Little punk. This video was exciting, yeah, and it was a little bit long, but it's good. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you for watching YouTube. Bye bye.